Musical speech refers to the emotional shaping of each interval. It involves sensing the length and character of intervals as expressive gestures rather than neutral distances. To deepen this perception, each interval can be associated with a specific emotional quality. This helps to recognize and feel the interval more clearly. The emotional energy experienced while singing intervals influences intonation, singing with glissando and resistance. This in turn affects the subtle vibration of inner singing and provides a distinct impulse to the finger muscles. Through this process, sensitivity to the distance and relationship between notes becomes more refined and precise. A deeper awareness of each interval supports both technical accuracy and musical expression. It improves the precision of large leaps and helps shape more expressive melodic lines in both slow and fast passages. Using musical speech to intonate intervals increases the sense of tension and connection between notes. This enhances the natural gravitational pull within the music, particularly when approaching important points in phrasing. it also refines listening. With greater sensitivity, it becomes easier to recognize the direction and distance of intervals, for example, distinguishing more clearly between a perfect and an augmented fourth, or between a fourth and a fifth. Each interval can be associated with a particular emotional quality. Over time, it is not necessary to assign a distinct emotion to every single interval while playing. Rather, a natural differentiation begins to emerge, with some intervals felt as more tense, others more open or settled. Developing sensitivity to these subtle differences in intonation takes time. With continued practice, this awareness gradually becomes integrated into playing.